they are fusing new technologies together in a very clever way that'll hopefully be able to be of help to people who endure psychiatric or emotional problems. It's a very niche market. Many of the people that come here are people that have either anxiety or depression, they have OCD, they have hyperactivity or cognitive changes, or sometimes traumatic brain injury. So we found that the common thread was that somehow or other the wiring in the brain was disrupted. If you think of it like an electrical circuit board, it's disrupted. So what we try to do is spot weld it with magnetic rays. And by using these rays, we could see discernible improvements that were not made by drugs or by therapies. My daughters have had all these therapies. They've had ketamine, they had ECTs, they have had other magnetic therapies. But I think the magic sauce here is the use of something called a functional MRI, which is an MRI that uses blood-brain flow, and they see what abnormalities there are in the blood-brain flow, and they analyze this. They make a computational analysis of the functional MRI, and then by using the computer, they create grids on which parts of the brain to treat, which correlate to clinical symptomatology. That's really the long and short of it. It takes about 10 to 20 treatments. You could you could have 1, 2, or 3 treatments a day. And I think the majority of people that have come to our office have had a discernible difference in their life. That's what I see as the cutting edge of medicine in terms of neurotherapeutics. I think it is very dynamic, and I think there'll be an evolution of this where it'll be much more in the mainstream as we refine our knowledge of the brain.